What's up, everybody? Back with another video. Just wanted to share something with you guys while I'm doing some paperwork, just to show you guys how wicked and twisted our reality is. And this comes with the word individual. All right, U.S. Code, subsection 8, person. All right. In determining the meaning of an act of Congress or any ruling, regulation, or interpretation of the various administrative bureaus and agencies of the United States, the words persons, remember, United States is codes, that's corporate, okay? In determining the meaning of any act of Congress, right? Act, not law, or any ruling, not law, regulation, not law, or interpretation, not law, of the various administrative, not judicial, bureaus and agencies, not judges, courts of the United States. The words person, human being, child, and individual shall include every infant member of the species Homo sapiens who is born alive at any stage of development. Subsection B. As used in this section, the term born alive with respect to a member of the species Homo sapiens means the complete expulsion or extraction from his or her mother of the member at any stage of development, who after such expulsion or extraction breathes or has a beating heart, pulsation of the umbilical cord, or definite movement of voluntary muscles, regardless of whether the umbilical cord has been cut, and regardless of whether the expulsion or extraction occurs as a result of natural or induced labor, cesarean section, or induced abortion. Now you know what that's all for, because you're a product. You're a motherfucking product. All right? Now, nothing in this section will be construed to affirm, deny, expand, or contract any legal status or legal right applicable to any member of the species Homo sapiens at any point prior to being born alive, as defined in this section. All right. Now, born alive means, the complete expulsion or extraction from his or her mother of that member. All right. Check this out. All right, remember we heard the word member. The legal definition of member is one of the persons consulting a partnership, association, corporation, guild, etc. One of the persons consulting a court, legislative body, assembly. One of the limbs or portions of the body capable of being used fighting in self-defense. This is what a member is. So a member, another one, as a person, right? We already know what a person is, a corporation, who belongs to a group of people or a group such as an organization, association, firm, partnership, corporation, company, or nation who belongs to another group like an alliance or consortium. Generally, it can refer to any part of a whole. For example, a person who belongs to a legislative body or other branch of the government may know as a member of the House of Representatives, member of the court. The term is used to denote a part of an animal capable of performing a distinct office. An organ, a limb, in mathematics is either the two parts of an algebraic equation, connection by the sign of equality. In engineering, it is an essential part. All right? So that's what a member is. Okay? These are legal definitions of what a member is. All right? So we just saw that. Okay? All right, the complete expulsion or extraction from his or her mother of that member. They're not talking about human beings, people. All right, now okay, check this out. All right, what's extraction? Extract, right? Check this out. This is extract. The certified copy by a clerk of a court of the proceeding in an action carried out on before the court, and of the judgment pronounced, containing a sworn order for execution of proceedings thereupon, right? And people are like, what the fuck does that mean? So what the hell is going on here? Think about it. So we go back, we go find the page, and then we go to expulsion. What is expulsion, right? Hold on. Expulsion, a putting or driving out. The act of depriving a member of a corporation, legislative body, assembly, society, commercial organization, etc., of his membership, the same, by a legal vote of the body, right? For breach of duty, improper conduct, or other sufficient cause. This is what expulsion is. Now, why would they have that sitting in here, right? Who after such expulsion or extraction breathes or has a beating heart. What would this have to do with being born? When you look at these words, you realize it is 100% corporate law. It's corporations. They're not talking about human beings at all. And that's crazy. Look, you have member, you have expulsion, extraction. A member is a partnership, corporation, one of the persons, right? Expulsion, a putting or driving out, the act of depriving a member of a corporation. So go back to here. People be like, oh no, this is exactly what it means 100% to the T. It means extraction from his or her mother of that member means of what? Right there. Member of a what? Right in there. Corporation. So they're extracting, they're just birthing corporations. And we already know what the word birth means. I don't even have to tell you that. So they're birthing corporations, and it says it right in the United States codes, right? And this is just studying family law, so you come across these things. So I figured I'd just share it because it's just that fucked up. This is how bad we got it. You know, that's why people are fighting for things and don't even can't even fathom how deep this shit goes. You know, and then wonder why all this shit happens. I mean, it's just crazy. You know, and it even says regardless of whether an ability, I mean, that's all for because they're going to profit off a dead baby, you know? That's why this language is like that. So just wanted to share that with you guys because U.S. Code, subsection 8, person, human being, child, and individual as including born alive infant, United States codes. So you're not a person, you're not a human being, you're not a child, you're not an individual, right? Because I'm doing some paperwork and I'm explaining to the court that I am not an individual. So I was just coming here and doing a little research and, you know, I figured I'd just share this shit with y'all because it's just that sick and that crazy. So peace and love y'all.